Scuffle. A small fight or struggle. Example: there was a scuffle between two kids over the last piece of candy. Shackle. Something that restrains or holds back. Example: the prisoners were shackled to the wall. Trample. To step heavily on something, often damaging it. Example: the kids accidentally trampled the flowers while playing. Huddle. A group of people or animals close together. Example: we huddled under the umbrella to stay dry. Baffle. To confuse or puzzle someone. Example: the magician's trick baffled the audience. Grumble. To complain in a low voice. Example: he grumbled about the long queue at the store. Cackle. A loud, harsh laugh. Example: the witch cackled as she stirred her potion. Rumble. A low, continuous sound. Example: we heard the rumble of thunder before the rain started. Buckle. To fasten something with a buckle, or to collapse under pressure. Example: she buckled her seatbelt before the car started moving. Snuggle. To get close and comfortable, usually for warmth or affection. Example: the cat snuggled into the blanket. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.